Welcome to Digital Arts with FireAlpaca, where students bring their creativity to life through drawing, design, and digital innovation. Our program is divided into focus areas that introduce students to the core elements of digital art: techniques, collages, and graphic design, blending creativity with technical skills. In art techniques, students develop their digital drawing abilities, learning to use graphics tablets and FireAlpaca software as they prepare for the modern digital landscape. Collages encourages students to experiment with brushes, effects, and layers, producing unique works of art that showcase their personal style and creative vision. In graphic design, students build problem-solving skills, navigating design challenges and applying innovative solutions that foster creativity across disciplines. By the end of the course, students will have sharpened their technical skills, strengthened their artistic expression, and gained the confidence to create as digital artists. Join Digital Arts with FireAlpaca and empower your students to discover where creativity meets technology.